civil claim is a claim that arises between individuals or between an individual and a business, either in relation to a contract or to a course of dealings between them. And a civil claim deals with their rights and obligations under that contract or course of dealings. A civil claim may be necessary where a breach of contract, for example, is involved, or there's a course of dealings or an understanding orally and they allege that there's been a breach. Types of examples of the civil litigation we do at the firm are contested will cases. There's a lot of litigation that is ongoing at the moment in the courts. A very recent case arose where husband and wife signed the wrong wills. So husband signed the wife's will and the wife signed the husband's will, and a lower court held that the will was invalid, but that has now been overturned by a higher court. Other cases we act for example, at the firm are property disputes in terms of boundaries. My 3 top tips for someone contemplating a civil claim is ensure that your papers are up to date and in order to give to your solicitor. Secondly, ask your solicitor to assess the strengths and the weaknesses of your case at a very early stage. Civil litigation can be complicated and it can be quite costly, and it's important to know what is the strength and weaknesses of your case at a very early stage. And thirdly, engage in mediation and possible settlement. The courts now encourage parties to mediate, to try and settle, and it's not a sign of weakness if you engage in mediation and dispute resolution. And a rose in soft step. An interesting fact now about civil litigation is that claims up to £10,000 are now considered by the court to be small claims. This means that the winning party cannot recover their costs if they succeed. This can often make it difficult for a claimant in the small claims court because claims up to £10,000 can be complex and involve complex facts and law. As a firm, we can assist with those types of claims by representing the client for a fee that can be fixed, so the client knows exactly in advance what their costs will be for this type of claim. It says, yeah,